Hey guys, on my last video I showed you guys how to replace the flint, and this one I'll show you how to fill over the lighter. You will need, obviously, a Zippo, obviously some lighter, like fuel, and then they go about, as it says there, 130-ish. You need a pencil or a pen, if you want to. Okay, so you can pop open the fuel, pull the zipper out, get your pencil or pen, poke it through this little hole here, little hole there, push it through. Don't push it through too hard. Lift it up, bend it over. That's where you gotta be careful. Point it up slightly but tilt it back a bit so it doesn't come out too quickly. And I pour ever so gently and I squeeze. Careful not to put too much in or it'll leak. And reattach it into the case. Give it a second. Voila. Done. Perfect flame. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe.